I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a clean 2-column range, labels on the left and numbers on the right, because Excel maps categories to axis labels. Once done, highlight the headers plus all rows and press Insert Bar Chart. Choose Clustered Bar for side-by-side comparisons. Make sure to use a table Ctrl+T if your data will change, since charts track table ranges automatically. This first step gets the chart shell in place quickly, so you can refine presentation and calculations next. Now focus on how the values appear and why they matter. Right-click the value axis and set min/max or fixed units to avoid misleading scales, because automatic scaling can compress small differences. Once done, click the data series to change gap width, bar direction, and fill color so categories are visually distinct. Use consistent color meaning when comparing groups. Make sure to add data labels or values from cells for precise reading. This helps viewers interpret the bars without guessing. Finish by polishing layout and exporting. Add a clear chart title, axis labels, and concise legend so viewers immediately grasp the takeaway. Once done, adjust fonts and grid lines for readability and copy the chart as a picture for slides, or save the workbook when sharing raw data. If the chart shows unexpected blanks or wrong values, make sure numbers are true numeric types, remove stray spaces, and confirm the table boundaries include all rows. This single check fixes most chart errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.